Welcome back to the channel. Today on 10mm Socket Garage we're gonna learn how to change CV joint boots. If you want to learn about CV joint boots, you're in for the right video. Let's go. Clamp it down. Remove the C clip up top so you can remove that big knuckle bearing stuff. That helps you to remove the CV joint rubbers boots. Use a wood when you're hammering on these things. You don't want to do damage. The bearings lies on there, so you don't want to damage it. Be careful. There it goes, for flying off. Another dimension. Gotcha. Clean it off, boys, with some brake clean. Wipe it down. You know, work nice. Keep it tidy. Super hot out today. Now we go and remove the inner. No, that's the outer CV joint boot. That's the outer one. Look at this thing. Doesn't have any grease in it. Uh-oh. Oh well. Let's put some grease in it. There you go. Put on the boot. Put some more grease in it. Don't be shy about using grease. No such thing as too much grease, boys. No such thing. There it goes. Pop it on. Plop. There it goes. Okay, I have a special way to put on these clamps. Doesn't require any special tools or anything. Check it out. I'm using a traditional side cutter to hold on to the clamp on the outside, and a 45-degree to hold on to the inside of it. You're gonna pull it, turn it, hammer it down. You pull it, you turn it, you hammer it down. Nice job. As you can see, I lost the inner boot clamp, but it's on the vise. Oh boys. Okay, check it out. I pull it, I hold it, and I turn. I pull it, I hold it with a smaller plier, and I turn it. Just like that. Easy. Go down and hold down the clamps and stuff. Make it nice. Make it secure. Cut off the excess when you're done. You know, make it nice. Presentable. That's one strong scissor. Alright. That's done. Let's go to the other side. This is the inner one. You put on the rubber boot. Just like that. Let's go in a bit more. Put some grease in it. Uh-oh, who had Taco Bell? I just learned that WD-40 makes a nice cleaner to wipe off grease. That's what I did. Use some WD-40 rag, make everything clean and nice, prepare for assembly. Grab some grease, put on the splines, so everything goes in nice. Install the knuckle, put it on the splines, get up your wooden stick, hammer it. Then when you're done, put on the C-clip. Don't forget the C-clip. I forgot it once, so I had to do it all over again. There you go, nice. Jeremy Clarkson will be very proud of me how I managed that hammer. Boom. Bearing into place. Boom. Into place. Third one into place. That's nasty. So let's clean it up. Put some more grease. That's nice. Uh-oh. Okay, let's put it on. Remember to put on the C-clip, boys. Don't forget the C-clip. You have to do it all over again. Grab your wood, hammer down. Ooh. Set it into place. There you go. Put on the boot. I'm being Captain Obvious. You can see in the video what's going on, man. I just want to be here with you guys. Look at it. Look at it again. Look at it again. There you go. You pull it, you turn it. You pull it, you hold it, you turn it. There she is, looking very, very, very nice. Alright boys, thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more of my repair videos, just hit the subscribe button and join me for more videos. Thank you boys, stay safe.